welcome back to my channel. This is a plan with me video. It is almost October 2023, so we are gonna go ahead and get started and plan our bills for the month so we can see what we are up against. I got a blue marker. I got the camera on the highest setting, so I hope that you can see. If not, girl, I'll be talking and I know we're gonna have some bloopers. There's always something to laugh at. Okay, so October the 1st starts on a Sunday. We have our what do we have that day? We have our storage that's due that day, so I have to write storage. It is 1:15. I moved back to my hometown. You could see something to I was moving here anyway because my business, my original business, my notary business does better here than it does in Houston, so I moved back here. So that is why I have a storage. Then iPostal 1 is for my notary business. I have a virtual mailbox that is $20. Then we have a Google G Suite. I don't even know why I have that or what that is for. I have to still try to figure that out. I'm trying to figure it out. I think Google knows that I'm trying to figure it out, so I can't ever really get into that. So it's $13. I be trying to see what I have. I've been saying I need to cancel that. Next, what do we have? Our notary insurance. I have Next insurance. It is, we're just gonna put $5, but it's really $3. I've been had it for years. I really can't complain. Girl, Apple, I feel like Apple just take money all the time. We just gonna say $26. Let's just make it $30. I feel like I wish they would just take stuff out all at one time instead of a deduction here, deduction there, deduction here. It's like deduction. Like, get a life, you know, just get a life. Oh my God. Okay, so for my cruise, I did put it on Uplift. I think they are around the 10th. Girl, we got 4 more payments. What is that? $160. What else? Life insurance. I know that's on the 15th. I have 2 life insurance policies. So this is number 1. I'm thinking about canceling one. And then the next day I have life insurance number 2. And it is $70. I really just want to go with the $70 one, y'all. That is because I am frugal is a nice way to put that. Tube Buddy, that comes out somewhere up here. It's only $10. I don't even know if I be using it. I think I do use it a little bit, y'all, but I'm just trying to remain consistent right now instead of using everything. Oh, car insurance. That's we're gonna put that on the 20th. It's $241. That's for 2 cars. I don't know who she thinks she is, girl. She got 2 cars. It's $241. I don't drive my Sunday car. I need to drive it more because I'm working on Sundays. Yay me. Okay, let's see what was next. Gym is on the 15th. I definitely need to be there more. It's so hard when you're starting a brand new business because you're trying to nurture your business, get enough money to pay the damn gym bill. So it's like, it's really hard, but I know in a year from now, I'm going to be fully booked with clients. I'm going to be to hit my $1 million goal. And life is going to be great. Okay, credit cards. I think they're due on the 3rd. So we got Discover. I think it's $35. Girl, we done wrote this on the 4th and it was supposed to be on the 3rd. Lord help her. What else? We got Credit One. And I can say, y'all, that having these second chance credit cards really helped, because when I went to purchase my luxury car, I didn't need anyone. And that's a humble brag, because I know when I first bought my first luxury car about 10 years ago, my credit was tore up on the floor up. I had to honestly put that car in my mother's name, and she trusted me enough to do the right thing. But this time I didn't need my mom. I didn't need nobody but me and God. And I got me a AMG Mercedes, fully loaded, leather seats, woman seats, sunroof. Like, so I'm just really grateful. So I do pay my bills on time. I wish I would have understood this when I was younger and in college. I wish I would have gotten a heads up, because in the 2000s and the late 90s, baby, they was sitting, them credit card companies was sitting there, and they really got us with a damn free t-shirt. But you're 18, so you want a free t-shirt, you know, to wear, and then you done effed up your credit. And then when you're in your 40s, you gotta fix it. But we're not gonna get on a rant today, okay? All right, so this is 35. But we friends, so, you know, we can talk about this. You know, let me know down in the comments, did someone help you out with credit, or was you out here like me, just messing up your credit and then realizing that when you got older? Okay, let's see, what other credit card do we have? We have a Blaze credit card. So I think the minimum payment on that, some of these are getting the minimum payment because I need to pay some other stuff down that's a lot more important than paying some of these off. So my nephew is going to Monster Jam, so he needs a whopping $200 to spend at 6 years old. 200. That is 8 hours worth of work for his Mimi. 8 for him to spend in 20 minutes, Lord. We need to put him up here at the top so that when we get some money, girl, he damn near the same price as the car insurance. So that'll stay on the forefront. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that's really too much? Oh, Affirm. Affirm is another credit card. We'll put it up here. Affirm, I don't know if you know, but I'm not gonna gatekeep. Like, if you're starting a business or you need a lot of things for your home, your kids, or whatever, you can get all the things that you need off of Amazon, and when you go to check out, press Affirm. Affirm will bring like a soft credit check, and then you don't even have to pay that month. That's the best thing. So you get all the shit that you want, and then you don't pay nothing when you check out. You start paying the next month. Now, they do take on interest, but you got to be smart, meaning that by the next month, either have all of it or half of it. That way you pay it off faster, they'll increase your limit, and it'll show positive on your credit report. So it just depends on the client that I have, but on the hours that I'm not working for my client, most likely I'm either but pick up some more hours at the daycare, because it pays a lot. Well, my rate pays a lot more than the daycare rate, because I'm an independent contractor, so I charge my price. Or I'm going to turn on my Spark app and make some things pop. So yeah, let me see how much my Affirm bill. My Affirm bill is kind of high. It's $60, but that's over the course of a year, guys. I'm definitely not gonna be taking a year to pay this. It is gonna be holiday time, so I am fixing to look at my list for Christmas and not Thanksgiving, but my list talking too fast. I'm gonna look at my list for Christmas, put a dollar amount besides people, and this month I'm just gonna have to rough it, and it's gonna be rough, but I'll pick up a lot of extra shifts where I can and start knocking things out. And then and definitely I'm not using, and y'all remind me, next year I'm not using no credit cards, because that's pretty much all this is. I think my basic bills on my cell phone, my basic bills is like $500, but since I got all this other foolishness, I think it's up to $2,000. Girl, I don't even know who she thought she was. So let's put it over here. We got a cell phone. We did lower our cell phone bill from Xfinity from 100 to 75 with Boost Mobile, T-Mobile, something like that. No, it's not regular T-Mobile, but it's Boost. But they ain't no better than Xfinity, in my opinion, in the area I'm in. So I'm gonna take it one step further and just get Mint Mobile, because these phone companies really ain't shit anyway. That's my opinion. I don't get, like, when I say that, it's because when I leave my house and I'm not connected to something, I don't know who, it says not connected. So a lot of times my internet is still choppy, or it says my network is unstable. So why should I keep paying all this money and it's gonna say my network unstable? So my point is, I'm going to Mint Mobile. I'm going to Mint Mobile where it's $15 or $30, because I'm not getting too much of nothing anyway. So when I'm home, I can just connect to my home Wi-Fi that I pay for, and then when I'm out, I'll connect to whatever. But I don't like paying a bunch of money and not getting the services that I need, because it's supposed to, you know, connect to the internet, but now the carriers are trying to say it's my phone, baby. She not getting another phone till this one is dead, and hopefully it can come back from life support. So that's my little rant. What was I right now? Cell phone. Girl, these bills be billing, honey. 75, because I had went with them because they had said they was $60, and then when I had got my bill, it said 75. So I'm like, well, what's going on? Oh, you got insurance. Did you ask me that I want insurance? Like, did you tell me, okay, well, it's not gonna really be 60, it's gonna be a little bit more because you have insurance? Like, let me know. Don't just do whatever you want to do. I appreciate your time, boo. That's all the bills, honey. That's enough bills. We don't know our paydays yet. So, like I said, I just started a new business. So, this one client is kind of wants to be in charge. I was dealing with one representative, and now he's taking over. But he told me this other person was the liaison that I was going to be dealing with. But now he's just like interjected himself. And so we're gonna trust God. And if I don't know how to do nothing else, I definitely 100% know how to trust God. So these are our bills for the month. I'll be back on Wednesday to drop another video. This is a Monday for October to plan with me. This is enough. It's not very much, but it is. And I'll be back on Wednesday with another video. Thank you. Bye.